Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up monthly payments on Wave apps. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who already set up the same recurring invoice, let's say to a vendor, and you don't want to actually go ahead and have to manually create that invoice every month because it's the same invoice every month. So be sure to stick around, guys. There's not a lot of steps involved with this, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, when we go into our Wave apps account, this is what it's going to look like. On the left-hand side, you want to click on Sales and Payments. And then you want to click on recurring invoices. So here it's going to say get paid without lifting a finger. You can automate your recurring invoices quickly, easily, reliably, all in one place. Click on create a recurring invoice. And then here is where you would add your customer and then also add the item in which you're invoicing for. So all the prompts here is just some basic information. You can auto-generate the invoice number. You can set the payment due, which is usually on receipt, and then also set the currency. But with that being said, this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up monthly payments for customers. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.